What is up, guys? Decided to do another live video because it was so much fun last night, so I'm going to do another one. Here we go. So I'm back. This one specifically is just going to be a quick one. We're going to be on talking a little bit about TRX and Tron. This is one of my personal favorites. I know that a lot of people do not like Tron, but then there's a lot of people that have been holding on to it for a super long time. So I'm pretty jacked about it. Let's see. There we go. I just got to turn on the chat so we can have the chat thing available for people. But yeah, guys, check this out. So Tron's currently officially above 6 cents to the USD value. Whoop, whoop. Super pumped about that. A lot of opportunity with its growth. I mean, it's seen 30 cents in the past, around roughly about that. Let's check it out actually really quick. So its all-time high was, yeah, roughly about 30 cents. So we're 80%, down at the moment. And, if you think about it from that perspective, it's actually pretty awesome to think about. And, I bought into this thing, back when it was like a quarter of a penny. So I'm doing pretty happy right now. This has been quite an awesome investment. I've been holding on. This has been a long-term hold for me for a long time, but I mean, obviously a lot of you already know what Tron's all about. I mean, it's literally like, you might as well just say that it's competitive with, assets and platforms like Ethereum. It actually was birthed from Ethereum officially, then it migrated to its own main net and became its own coin. And guys, here's the thing about what Justin Sun does. I know a lot of people give Justin Sun a lot of crap for Tron and what's going on with it, but here's the thing. He has delivered. The guy has freaking delivered on so much stuff. If you go and read the white paper and what his plans were like 3 or 4 years ago, he's done phenomenal. He's also like one of the most influential marketers I've ever met. Like, it's unfreaking believable what this guy has been able to do as far as marketing goes. Like, fantastic. And you got to understand that when it comes to crypto assets and whatnot, you need to be able to know how to market well, and he's done so well with it. Like, he's pushed huge relationships. He was the guy that met with Warren Buffett. Like, that's a marketing strategy. Yeah, it's a tax write-off, but that's a pretty smart tax write-off, if you ask me, to invest in something that is going to get you into a luncheon with Warren Buffett. He didn't do it to convince Warren Buffett. I mean, yeah, sure, I'm sure he's hoping that he did, but he didn't do it for that. He did it because it was a marketing strategy for him, and it gave him some solid, marketing. It was phenomenal. He basically paid $5+ million to market himself with one of the richest men in the world, and arguably being the first person to ever give that man crypto, and he's an anti-crypto guy, so that's what's so crazy. But it doesn't matter anymore because we got the richest man in the world in on Bitcoin, Elon Musk, so we're excited about that. But anyways, Tron is pumping right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see a pullback. I was actually pulling up the charts here. Let's just check it out. Really interesting. So this is TRX to the USD. And yeah, we're doing super well. I'm super excited about this right now. This is exciting. I mean, we got a ways to go, but I just wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing, this thing rocking way past 6 cents. We want to definitely, it's probably going to have a pullback. I mean, what we're going to see is, Sundays dump, Mondays pump. Isn't that kind of how it always goes? Sundays dump, Mondays pump. But I don't know. I think that we're going to, test that 9.5 cents level. But I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we see some serious excitement for Tron next week. Maybe even a little bit more today. I mean, we're already up 12% on the 24-hour right now, so that's super exciting. A lot going on with that. But let's talk about the numbers, guys. I want you guys to just kind of see this for a second. So Tron's total supply currently right now is 100 billion, okay? So I want you to take this into perspective just for a moment, okay? This is a top, this has definitely been competing in the top 20 cryptocurrencies right now. It's currently number 19 on the coin market cap as it's projected. But here's the thing, 100 billion total supply. There's a lot going on with people freezing it so that they can actually create residual income with the TRX and whatnot, which is super cool. So a lot of staking opportunity. There's a lot going on with the dApps, the decentralized applications, and it's way faster than the Ethereum platform. I mean, I think it's actually let me see if I can get this right. I was actually pulling up an article on it. If you think about it from this perspective, this is a really interesting point. Check this out. So Tron blockchain-based operating systems that can handle massive amounts of transactions, while Bitcoin can deal with up to 6 transactions per second. So only 6 transactions per second with Bitcoin. Ethereum, only 25 transactions per second. But Tron is a whopping 2,000 per second. So there's a lot of opportunity as far as decentralized applications, you know, being able to make transactions, you know, everything that's going on, basically just going on with the deflation and whatnot, and the different coins that you can invest in with that. I mean, I don't know if you guys invest in BTT. That's a freaking unbelievable option. I am so glad. And that's the other thing too, is like when you're staking this stuff, you guys get not just TRX with the staking super representatives, but you can also get stuff like BTT. You can get stuff, different TRC 20, TRC 10 tokens that are thrown out to you. Oh yeah, reminder, I know I'm all over the place, but reminder, if you guys have the Tron wallet, make sure that you guys migrate your coins to the updated wallet, the Keller wallet. Very important you do that, because that is absolutely necessary. I think it's close to the end of the month they're going to be shutting down the Tron wallet, so you want to make sure that you migrate your stuff over there. And guys, there's more options for trading in that wallet. It's freaking unbelievable. Absolutely love it. So I'm super pumped about it. So yeah, are you guys pumped about Tron pumping? I am definitely excited about it. We're up 12% right now. Check this out. Hey, if you guys haven't smashed the like button, smash that like button. Yeah, so we're up, yeah, 12, almost, well, down just a little bit. Hold on, let me refresh that. Yeah, we're just trying to get past that 6 cents. So, oh yeah, so I wanted to talk with you guys about this. So, you know, think about it from this perspective. We're talking about, you know, a top 20 cryptocurrencies opportunity. Okay, this is my buddy Kenny. All right, so we're talking about a top 20 cryptocurrency opportunity here at the very beginning of the year, the very beginning of the altcoin bull run right now. I mean, we're having a serious altcoin jump right now. We got 100 billion TRX total supply. Now think about this, 100 billion TRX total supply. I want to show you guys something. This is really interesting. Let's check out ADA. Okay, obviously totally different use case. I mean, I think that there is something to be said for the comparison of, like, you know, them sharing the same concept of having their platform and whatnot. But look at this, 45 billion ADA. And what kind of a pump has this thing done? Guys, this thing has gone up, you know, past 90 cents. It's down a little bit today, so there might be a buying opportunity after Sunday with ADA as well. But anyways, that's not the point I'm trying to make. The point I'm trying to make here is that this thing has done an absolutely unfreaking believable pump with only half of the total supply that Tron has. So with that being said, I, just based on numbers, just based on the marketing, and just based on the altcoin bull run, there is no reason why Tron can't go above and beyond its initial high of 30 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see Tron. Oh, and by the way, just reminding you all, I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't take this information, go buy a bunch of crypto, and then say it was Crypto Cody's fault, because you need to be responsible for what you invest in. Remember that, okay? So that's my disclaimer. But anyways, you know, make sure that you guys take this into consideration, that Tron is very undervalued right now. 6 cents, I think the thing could seriously go to 50 to 60 cents. I mean, I'm super bullish. I've been holding Tron for a long time. Definitely got a lot of it myself, and it's been a long-term holding for me. I love Justin Sun as an entrepreneur. He's like the crypto Elon Musk, in my opinion. That's a pretty bold statement to make, but, you know, I really do think that he's like the crypto, Elon Musk. And although now I could say that Elon Musk can pretty much represent himself now in crypto. But anyways, I just think there's such an opportunity with TRX, and, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we see this thing, you know, over the next couple of months pumping up past its initial high. I know that sounds crazy, but Cardano, half of the supply, it's already almost up to $1. It's pushing, it wants to go, you know, to its initial high. And I just think there's something to be said for, you know, why can't Tron be past 40 cents in the next couple of months? Why can't it? You know, so I'm pretty bullish on Tron. I think we're going to see a little bit of a pullback because it's testing that 6 cents level, and it might honestly go back down to 5 cents. It might even go even below that just a little bit. But I actually, let's just check out the trading to the USD. I want to show you this as well. This is really, really interesting. So if we look at Tron, as far as you know, we looked at it trading the USD. You know, I think there's so much, if you think about it from Elliott Wave's standpoint. I mean, I'm not a big chart reader, guys, but there is a lot of opportunity there regarding Elliott Wave. But that is on the, what is that? Let's check out the monthly. Yeah, that is the monthly. So yeah, super stoked about that opportunity. But let's check something else out here. I want to see if you guys are saying anything in the comments. I don't think anybody's saying anything. Okay, cool. Yeah, but let's take a look at this from TRX against, we'll do against Ethereum. See if I can find it. Because I was actually looking at TRX to Ethereum. I think there's actually a trading opportunity with that as well, because it's on its fourth. If you're looking at it from an Elliott Wave perspective, it's like on its fourth, I think, third or fourth. Look at the trading pair, man. See, this is why I got to do more of this kind of stuff. But why is this not going through? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so basically, you know, if we're looking at it from a perspective of like trading against Ethereum, I think that there's actually still an opportunity to trade against Ethereum right now. But I think overall, I mean, yeah, I know a lot of people have been saying long-term on Tron. I think that we're finally going to start seeing it, guys. I really do. I am actually, yeah, I'm very bullish on it. And it's just one of those cryptos that just hasn't really had its explosion yet. It really hasn't. Like, there's so many out there that have had their explosion, but Tron is just not yet. And I really think that it's now finally starting to catch up and follow the rest of the altcoins. And I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing it doing some seriously special moves. So anyways, that's my opinion on that. Let's take a look at some of the news too as well. So they were saying, let's see. Becoming the first deflation crypto, TRX weekly gains past 50%. You know, it's done super well with that. Yeah, exciting. I mean, obviously there's some coins out there that have done really well. Okay, so it has ended up creating all new time heights under 6 cents, but we've actually seen it go above that today. This came out 22 hours ago. So fundamental analysis updates, proposals already priced in okay, Tron blockchain, blah blah blah. Yeah, we talked about that. Let's see. Yeah, in Justin Sun's tweet, he was talking about it is approved number 151 committee proposal. The TRX is likely to become the first deflation crypto in the world, which is pretty exciting news to think about. Also, I don't think that Tron should be increasing bandwidth and energy fees in the near future, which is super exciting. Conference with low networks price attracts developers for Ethereum. You know, so yeah, I mean, guys, you think about it. Ethereum is such an expensive thing. Tron is not expensive when making transactions and whatnot. So there's a lot there. There's a lot of opportunity there. And I mean, I know that, you know, you look at Tezos, you look at Cardano, you look at Neo, you look at some of these other platforms or blockchains that are competing against Tron, but I seriously think that Tron is a very good competitor against Ethereum. I'm not suggesting that it's going to go above and beyond in its, you know, total market cap than Ethereum, but I do think that it's, like, competing wise on the use case, it is a very good competitor against Ethereum. It has a tremendous amount of dApps, and there's a lot of opportunity with it. So yeah, I'm pumped about it. I personally would not be surprised if we see it going way past its 30 cents mark. We just got to hang on tight. I'm hanging on tight. I mean, I've got a whole bunch of different crypto assets that I invest in, but I really think that we're going to be excited about what we see as far as price goes in the next few months with Tron. So especially February. This month is definitely going to be a big breaking point for it. It's going to probably, it's just going to continue to break through what it's been doing. So I'm pumped about that. But take it into consideration, guys. Like, I mean, look at XRP. I know, totally different use case than Tron, but that is a total market cap that that's a max supply of 100 billion. So we're looking at the same exact max supply, and that thing has gone up to $3.50. It's very, very possible for Tron to go above and beyond $1. It's not going to do it anytime soon necessarily. However, I do think it's very possible that in the very soon future, like within the next month or two, we could see it go past its initial high, which is so exciting. So anyways, that's just my opinion on Tron. I'd like to hear what your guys' thoughts are in the comments. If you guys can hit a like, smash the like for me, that would be great. You know, this has been fun. I've been trying to pull out some more live videos for you guys. What are your thoughts on Tron? You know, as far as Tron goes, what are your thoughts on some of the decentralized apps, the inflation coins, or deflation coins, I mean? What are your thoughts? I want to know what you guys think about Tron. I know that it's a very controversial crypto asset, and I think that a lot of people love Justin Sun and a lot of people hate Justin Sun, but I personally love him. I think he's great. He's, you know, delivered more than not, okay? I understand there was that whole Tesla incident and whatnot, but he's always delivered, and that's, to me, that's huge. That's massive for the crypto community to deliver. But guys, we've broken past that 4 cents mark, above and beyond that, so I'm pretty pumped on it. Again, I think we're going to see a pullback on it. But you know, along with a lot of other coins, like we'll see some things going up today, I think, and then tomorrow we probably are going to see some dumps, some corrections, healthy corrections, and then from there, I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, we start seeing this thing take off again, once again on Monday, the Monday pump. We love the Monday pump. The Sunday dump we don't like. I actually like the Sunday dumps because it's the time to buy. So, anyways. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll definitely bring out some more videos. Let me know in the comments below what some coins you want me to check out, or assets or anything like that in the crypto world. But smash the likes for me, guys, and I will chat with you guys soon. Love you guys. Crypto Cody out.